Experiencing charging problems with your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro Max in your Tesla Model Y? You're not alone. Many users face issues with both wireless pad and USB-C charging. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps focusing on power sharing, cable connections, and wireless pad alignment to get your phone charging reliably. We will address common issues that arise from the Model Y's Qi wireless charger and the wired USB-C ports. Tesla's power sharing feature allows your Model Y to charge devices using the vehicle's high-voltage battery, even when the car is parked and not plugged into an external charger. This makes it convenient for powering your iPhone 16 or other devices during stops. To enable power sharing, navigate to the Controls menu on your touchscreen, then select Charging and finally Device Charging. Here you can toggle the feature on or off. Power sharing works by drawing from the Model Y's high-voltage battery. The system converts DC power from the battery to AC for wireless Qi charging, or keeps it as DC for USB-C wired connections, delivering up to 15 watts wirelessly or 65 watts wired. A crucial point: make sure the power sharing toggle is enabled in the device charging menu. If it's off, your devices will only charge when the Model Y is connected to an external power source. However, there are limitations. When you're accelerating or using climate control, the vehicle may temporarily pause device charging to prioritize essential functions like driving performance or cabin temperature. For wired charging in your Tesla Model Y, always use an Apple-certified USB-C to USB-C cable. The iPhone 16 models are USB-C native, so this ensures proper compatibility and optimal charging speeds. Firmly insert the cable into the Model Y's USB-C port, which is marked with a lightning bolt icon. This ensures a stable connection for reliable charging. Avoid using damaged or non-certified cables, as they can lead to unstable connections and significantly slower charging speeds. Always check your cable before use. Regularly inspect and clean the USB-C ports in your Tesla to remove dust and debris. This maintenance helps ensure optimal charging performance and prevents connection issues. Wireless charging in the Model Y relies on precise alignment between your iPhone 16's charging coil and the Qi pad. Misalignment, even by a few millimeters, can significantly reduce charging efficiency or stop it altogether. Center your phone on the pad, ensuring the charging coils overlap. Experiment with the phone's orientation, camera up or down, as slight adjustments can make a big difference. To ensure optimal charging compatibility between your iPhone 16 and Tesla Model Y, it's essential to keep both devices' software updated. Tesla's v12.5.x firmware updates include specific improvements for charging systems, while Apple's iOS 18.2 and later versions enhance wireless and wired charging performance. These updates regularly address compatibility quirks and optimize power delivery, preventing many common charging issues. For your Tesla Model Y, check for software updates through the vehicle's touchscreen. Navigate to the Software section to see if updates are available. On your iPhone 16, access Settings, then General, and select Software Update to check for and install iOS updates. By keeping both systems updated, you'll benefit from improved charging reliability and efficiency. Regular updates are key to maintaining seamless device compatibility. First, double-check that power sharing is enabled in your Tesla Model Y. Go to the touchscreen, select Controls, then Charging, and Device Charging. Make sure the power sharing toggle is on. This feature allows the vehicle to draw from its high-voltage battery to power your iPhone even when the car isn't plugged in. Without it, charging may only work when the Tesla is connected to a charger. Second, ensure proper connection. For wired charging, use an Apple-certified USB-C cable and insert it firmly into one of the Tesla's front USB-C ports, which are marked with a lightning bolt icon. For wireless charging, place your iPhone 16 on the center console Qi pad, ensuring the camera module faces up and the phone is centered. Even a slight misalignment can prevent charging due to the electromagnetic induction requirements. Third, clean the charging surfaces. Dust or debris on either the iPhone's charging coil or the Tesla's Qi pad can interfere with the electromagnetic field needed for wireless charging. Gently wipe both surfaces with a microfiber cloth to ensure optimal contact and efficiency. This simple step resolves many charging issues, as per AppleCare data showing 35% of failures stem from dirty surfaces. Fourth, restart both devices. Power off your iPhone 16 by holding the side button and volume buttons, then slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds before powering back on. For the Tesla, hold the scroll wheel on the steering wheel for about 3 seconds to initiate a restart. This can resolve software glitches that interrupt charging, as demonstrated in Apple support escalations where firmware resets stabilized connections. Fifth, address thermal throttling. If your iPhone 16 becomes hot during wireless charging, remove it from the pad to allow cooling. The device's safety features may reduce charging speed or pause it to prevent overheating. Resume charging once the phone reaches a normal temperature. This is especially important during long drives where heat buildup can occur. Finally, consider disabling climate control priority. In the Tesla's settings, under Controls and Charging, turn off climate control priority. This prevents the vehicle from prioritizing climate systems over device charging during drives, ensuring more consistent power delivery to your iPhone. This tweak has helped many users in Tesla forums maintain steady charging on road trips.